Free Sennheiser pens. I'll race ya. Here we go.
Nice. How many more do I have to do?
Keep going.
You gotta keep going. First one stops, loses.
Oh, that sucks.
First one stops, loses. Who's gonna be the loser here? Don't lose, don't lose, don't lose. Who's gonna be the winner? Come on, guys. Come on, keep pumping, pump, pump, pump.
Oh, air down. Is there an air? Air down.
Can I get some 650s?
On the way to Galveston right now. We're going to see the Gulf of Mexico.
These are the worst rims ever made, period.
Here we are.
Here we are in Galveston, Texas, on Galveston Island. We're about to recruit and bring as many people as possible to the boys' winning pool party that's happening at Float just down the street there. I'm gonna talk to as many ladies as I can.
Straight up for chicks. Hot chicks. Girls, prepare to get served.
What are you guys doing tonight? At Float Bar, just down the way right there. And yeah, you guys gotta come. Starting at midnight, we're gonna be giving away a ton of free stuff.
Hey everybody, here I am in Galveston, Texas at Float Bar, where we're throwing the wildest pool party you've ever seen. We've got people in the house making lots of noise, and we're about to give away a ton of stuff. Check it out! Did you hear anything about a party maybe going on tonight?
It's supposed to be the biggest party in the world tonight, right here, right now.
Do you think it's bigger than the girls' party in Myrtle Beach?
Yeah, those girls, lame. I heard that was lame. I flew here from Myrtle Beach because it was so lame. I came to Galveston.
Sennheiser man. All right, let's do it.
If you can tell me what company I represent, you in this video game.
Dude, it's right on your shirt.
Sennheiser man.
All right, we're having ourselves a killer pool party right now. We're about to give the first of many prizes here. We got some PMX 80s. We're about to give them out right now. Person in the pool who can hold their breath the longest is going to get some free... Ah, come on! Whoever holds their breath the longest, these are water-resistant headphones. 1, 2, 3, under! This guy's amazing. Contest of the night, we're about to have a belly flop contest. All right, so they got to go one at a time, and the crowd's going to judge. All right.
I definitely did. I'm a champion at the art of dry humping in the pool.
Film it right now. Hi, you guys. Can I get a quick interview with you? I just want to know how you guys feel to be part of the Sennheiser Sound Tour pool party in Galveston, Texas at Float.
You know, it's okay. I'm, you know.
This is Scott coming from you live at the Float Pool and Bar with my main man Aaron.
When you're in a pool, it's not called dry humping anymore.
Yeah.
I drank out of that pool last night. Okay, so that's the weather report.
All right, back to you,
news I need on the weather report.